Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's like my first upload in like 2 years or something, cube related. And today we got a new 2x2. I'm pretty sure it's called a QIYI MS magnetic, and because I don't have a great 2x2 and I kind of just wanted a new one, because why not? So yeah, let's get into it. So this was already peeled a little bit, but there's all the wrap. First of all, what I noticed is it comes in like this huge box, which you could probably use to store like a 4x4 or something. It's kind of hard to open. There we go. Alright, so it's really cool packaging. And then here's the cube. It's nice and wrapped. It's pretty light too. Like, it's not that heavy. And then it comes with this too. It's like a little cube stand. The pamphlets in there. So let's just get into the cube. So it has this little wrapper around it. So let's open it. By the way, guys, this is also my first magnetic 2x2, or pretty much my first magnetic cube in general. I haven't really, other than a square one, but so right now it feels really looby around the outside just because I just opened it. It's pretty light too, but I guess we'll just do some first turns. Wow, okay. So the magnets are pretty strong, like strong enough. It feels pretty like hollow, but it's really good. And it's like, it also feels a little bit sandy, but I just opened it. So it just has to be broken in. But that's really good. I'm just gonna do a solve. Alright, let's go. I'm overturning a little bit, but I just have to get used to it. So yeah, it's a really nice cube. Yeah, there's not really much else to say. It's just a good cube. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.